surveillance, the CCTV cameras. So it so happened that around 11 in the night, I just received a notification that some movement has been detected.
Yes, ma'am.
So immediately I checked and I saw two hooded boys inside the office. I informed father that somebody is there right now. So we had to kind of apprehend them without alerting them in a way.
And I was lucky I didn't go for mass. I was just about to get down
Yes.
for mass. So I think God was, she was trying to contact, she couldn't contact. And that time only a phone call came and I rushed down with my short pens.
आणि स्टाफान तांकां धरले धरतना मातशें तांणी स्कफल केली स्टाफा कडेन तातूंत जर आमच्या मातशी स्टाफाकय मायनर इंजुरीज जाल्यो दे हॅव कन्फेस that previously they are also involved in school theft cases. One took place in St. Teresa School and one in Keshav Smriti School and one is in Verna area. In that school also they are involved. आणि सावथाक आनी खुबश्या स्कुलांनी अशी चोरी जाल्या and they confess about the crime in other schools also. एकट्याचें नांव जाहीद सिनान. His age is 32 years. तो आमच्या उडपीचो कर्नाटकात आणि दुसरो आसता मौलाली सतार जमादार एज 28 years and he is from उत्तर कन्नडा.